you had the numbers of vaccines available to get the population vaccinated, as is the objective of herd immunity, by the end of March 2022, you should at least be looking at 35,000 vaccines per week. 35,000 vaccines per week will give you just around 1.8 to 1.9 million persons vaccinated in a 12-month period. And we understand the situation that vaccines are not available as we should. But certainly, with these numbers, then you will have to ramp up. I know that you have indicated that there will be 25 other blitz sites around the island. And if you do that, and assuming that you do the 1,000 as is the case at the National Arena, you still would not get the 35,000 that would give you in 12 months herd immunity. So we would like, for subject to the availability of vaccine, to have a relook at that, Minister, to see that the target is achieved. Now, the location of the sites are important, and I know that, and I'll speak a little local now, that we're going to Gale St. Mary. And I hope the demographics in terms of the age group that you want have driven the location of these sites. But one should also consider, too, the transportation arrangements and how you're going to get these elderly persons to the site. We're happy on this side, Minister, that the EOJ has been morphed into the whole programs, because indeed, about 3 weeks ago, as the opposition, we indicated to the country that this should be one of the areas explored to get their database. So getting the age numbers from the EOJs is an important element that should be utilized, and we want to suggest to the ministry that that be done aggressively, because the NHF data is insufficient for the numbers of persons who are over that particular age. Now, we have seen where the Cuban Soberana 2 has reached clinical trial phase number 3 as of the 3rd of March of this year. And hopefully very shortly will have completed that and get approval from the World Health Organization. It is our view, Minister, and I'm hoping it is, that the government has already joined the queue where Cuba is concerned as part of the vaccine supply. As you have indicated, once they have been approved by WHO and the other 2 regulatory authorities,